snooze foods. Today's video has 4 parts. Part 1 is about the scientific explanation why some foods make you sleepy. In part 2, I will reveal foods that make you sleep. In part 3, you're gonna get a wonderful recipe for a smoothie that makes you fall asleep very fast, and it's super delicious. And stay tuned for part 4.8 because I'm gonna show you the most common mistake that keeps you awake. The science behind sleep. To understand how certain foods can help you sleep better, we must first dive into the science of sleep. Our bodies rely on a hormone called melatonin, often referred as the sleep hormone, to regulate our sleep and wake cycles. Certain foods can promote melatonin production, leading to a more peaceful slumber. Let's explore some of these magical foods. 1. Cherries. These delightful fruits are natural sources of melatonin. Enjoy a small bowl of fresh cherries or sip on a cherry juice before bedtime to enhance your sleep quality. 2. Kiwi. Packed with vitamins and antioxidants, kiwi can also help stimulate melatonin production. Slice up a ripe kiwi and savor it as a light evening snack. Almonds. Rich in magnesium and tryptophan, almonds make for a fantastic sleep-introducing snack. Enjoy a small bowl of raw almonds before hitting the hay. Savory sleep-enhancing habits. Now that we've covered some of the special foods, let's discuss a few bedtime habits that can improve your sleep quality. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals. Limit your intake of caffeine in the evening and steer clear for heavy, greasy meals before bedtime. These can disrupt your digesting and keep you awake. Create a bedtime routine. Establishing a consistent bedtime routine, such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques, can signal to your body that it is time to wind down and sleep. Mindful eating. Practice mindful eating. Eating by savoring each bite and chewing slowly. This allows your body to properly digest the food and promotes a calm and relaxed state before sleep. 4. The perfect snooze food recipe. To help you incorporate these sleep-enhancing foods into your routine, there's a simple and delicious recipe to try. Make a cherry almond smoothie delight. Ingredients: 1 cup of frozen cherries, 1 ripe kiwi peeled and sliced, a 1/4 cup raw almonds, 1 cup almond milk or any milk of your choice, and 1 tablespoon honey, optional for sweetness. Take a blender, combine the frozen cherries, sliced kiwi, raw almonds, milk, and honey, and you got your desired smoothie. It's creamy and delicious. Pour it into a glass, sit back, and enjoy this dreamy mix about an hour before bedtime. Now I'm gonna pour my ingredients in the blender. So first of all, I put the milk so that everything will be nice and liquid. Now I'm gonna go and put my cherries. Ooh, this is going to be so delicious. And now I have my 1/4 cup of almonds. And at the end, I have my vitamin C rich antioxidant kiwi, which also makes you fall asleep fast. And now for me, because I really would like it very sweet, I just take a little spoon of honey and pour it in here. Now we're gonna close the lid. Here we go. And we're gonna start the super loud blender. And ready our smoothie is. Let me pour us beautiful, beautiful milkshake. Ooh, I can't wait to drink it. That looks delicious. This actually is enough for 2. This is so good. You seriously, absolutely have to try it. Do you need some hilarious food expert tips to hype your snooze time? Well, you're in luck. Here are 10 foodtastic tips to help you fall asleep like a champ. Get your trypto on. Show down on tryptophan-rich foods like turkey, chicken, nuts, seeds, tofu, and eggs. They have you snoozing away in a jiffy. Carb-O-land with caution. Embrace complex carbs like whole grains, sweet potatoes, and quinoa. They'll boost your serotonin levels and have you feeling as relaxed and as chilled like a koala. 3. Heavy meals. Heavy regrets. Don't be a bad time binger. Try to have your last heavy meal a few hours before hitting the hay. 4. Snack attack. But make it light. If your tummy rumbles closer to bedtime, opt for a bite-sized snack. Think a small bowl of oatmeal, a banana, or a handful of almonds. Yum, yum. 5. Caffeine curfew. Step away from the coffee cup. My friends, give up caffeine, coffee, tea, energy drinks, and chocolate for a few hours before bedtime. Your dreams will thank you. 6. Spice up your life, but not before bed. Avoid spicy and acidic foods that can turn your tummy into a volcano. Magnificent magnesium. It's time to get your magnesium fix. Munch on leafy greens, almonds, bananas, and dark chocolate. They'll help you relax your muscles and have you sleep like a baby. 8. Stay hydrated, but do not much H2O before bedtime because you don't want to hit the bathroom every 2 minutes. So drink smartly. Alcohol is a sleep inducer, but it doesn't keep you asleep. It will give you all these nightmares during your REM sleep. Stay away from alcohol before sleep time. 10. Timing is everything. Be a mealtime maestro and establish a regular eating routine. Your body loves consistency, and it'll reward you with better sleep. Sweet dreams, my friends. Remember, these tips are all about finding what works best for you, and listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. Sleep tight and don't let the bed bugs bite. Conclusion. And there you have it, guys. A delightful journey through the world of snooze foods. By incorporating melatonin-rich foods into your diet and adopting sleep-enhancing habits, you can pave the way to a restful night's sleep. So why not give it a try? Remember, always consult with your healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or sleep habits. Okay, that's it for today with Sounds for Life. Enjoy our delicious smoothie and have a great night's sleep. Please don't forget to sign up so I can continue posting tips and help you sleep. Bye.